Adom TV so Adom TV so bejo ntwuma die so dia wo kensi wo sempai sakena no pensu ja me di Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Alregina Wallace the nation's presenter and Messi Kunya na me kono quantum kono nsema do nsa kana no penso e wo Ghana gudim eja o hyem so ma me say nwuma kunia miensa ana abom sika dwetrem na no penso de nkomon eba 1xbet have always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the hintasima we chiri se utwa ne befu odin befu utwa ne kuma bia odin kuma asa no manum enti abusuafo enamfofo oyere ma wo fasefo na mu kunumu ene ompnafo ina di wadanse ya famom se 1xbet na ne bet aba oni mu fene nwotwa fa ho nyim isan se bet diwa wani betia ekọ wadwe betia bomutim betia sa hyehye bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yira enye ya no eno ani editwa bet ne mo we nyina china so pe bet dia 1xbet na midi wadanse e di ama Jeffas Mescha do titahwi infections edro gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po anachiwa edro prapra hara no mobro ho kama e ma ultimate nchineche ko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mu onsabetia ka Jeffas Mescha na boa e maniema atoto ye e di ama pomodon sem Sedimo gel and roll-on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye kan yawdi efu pampas be pimo na sia edro ba ko etu asese hom na boa maniema 22 ye di ma no Sedimo gel and roll-on kwa shama na me market enye na ana fete manso sabetia ka bi se opese utu na okoton ana se otode ye ho dia obetia from penny 402082199129 na on Sedimo gel and roll-on from penny 4 ye ntwetwe nkomo ye nhwemwa emaniema 22 infamo madama womo anawe etikwe no pay emiede nkomo awdo ensaka na 8 jaw a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with very first step yenhase emfanfi Italian Serie A akensie no so etwensa piemu na team omudin ene Salaminata womo anachi Juventus for ene omde tentam so na so Juventus etwomeka miesa womo entimi anti yentimi anka no na echire kran setime sanka na no pa no na eni kansem ede magana fodo na se Christian atwatwa sam omgili pass abrante no obono modin bebiri na fe so kra modin bo no enam so ma manfo bebiri no so nya kwamisa wasetrem a omgili pass abrante de eserade edina fofie na yesetime ka no eno ensaka Christian atwatwa sam no ana gana fodo na so ede omunkomo atuan saba ebi chese eye miracle se abrante no yesa etimi aka na ni o sabia na o hwe nim se kwambia so no apomudon sem ebegina yi
oye Ghanaian nti bibia ebetu Ghana ni bia no eye nyina seje se ye betu mi ahwehwe no nyame adom so ya ho no nti ye nyaage
o ma hwehwe no musaka no nti eda nyame ase se mi ye Ghana ni a ni da de si ya hwe ya anye no de ye nyina da nyame ase
nyame adom a meti se nyame adom ye yi na oda so won kwam ne de na se aseda na edi ma awurade ne ho aka kakra de na enso no nim se nyame nti ne ho beto no
se wote nkwam ye nyina ye be kai ne mpaibom na ne ho ato no ye ni age pa se nyame agi na firim
me se awurade nyankopon pa ye se ohun mobo no onsan yale na ne ho to no
Christian atwatwa sam 31 years old Ghanaian player si akan e wo Turkish no ana tse Ghana fo bi nso ede nasia eni kabia emerade se abrante ne yetime se hunu nkra ne chese Christian atwatwa sam memra na atwankyeremu abofo ehwehwe nkrofo mu ne nkraman ne ade ehwehwe no na abrante ne te bia okekam esu from se momra na omo emeje no anampaniampa omkoso ni mu ani wom de na kopiem awarsa nkra ne chese bibia guso ekoye ede ma abrante ne nyame adoma ne ho ebetia sa toro na fo etia be katias fo ho na yetimia san sum asasi yemfa ni nkyire nkrafo fom dia Black Stars winger friend Kamara Din Sulemana ono so se nani agiye Paisans na sentem wakọ sign contract ede Amsterdam Timbubu kono na EPL eye jesi awode chiwiase afana nyina mo bia hu sene Mexico no ugili pa se ni kasem ede ma no 20 years old space stay ede nkomo kakra tia sa ba so hwe nim se nyame adoma obetia san to aso adan ho adi wo kwanston ko so ewo Saddam Tim 4 akache Onyuma etare ne mabo ho sesi ane se Saddam Timbubu kono womo ana awe dato ho kra ewo EPL kensinim omo 21 week no ana omatia bo mo 15 points nanso Kamara Dini ejidi pass nyame adoma obetia akom atwemudu afiri so sene konfanoche ya meribe twa mu wasantemam no e de ama Saddam Tim so etwensa gine yi ewo omdwumadi a eguso edinimu yentintom ewo Ghana Football Association so akachia former Ghana Football Association President George Akwesefrie enso de nkomo kakra etwensa beja na omo ehwe nim se kwan bia so players ebetia sako camp na afi omo campaign no so effective no ebetia boa ema Black Galaxies ye kantememu manmrante na niama etia koyi ede amom nemum ni ehu ewo China kensikesi mi de ugide passe enyade a ese Ghana
we don't follow consistency. In football development, sometimes consistency plays a role. Some of the players that you used to qualify the team to Algeria were dropped. So we are not consistent. We don't have a solid program where we make sure that we follow it through. That is the problem. It is not about ranking. Ranking can be done because we've seen countries rank outside the world top 20 coming into major competitions and excelling. We've seen it all the time. We see it always. So it's not necessarily
about Ghana Hadia, Ghana Premier League and Air Course na MTN FA Cup and so Atrim na any northern sector and so much as maybe between Saba so Kumasa can find a large goose as Ishala and Yamitumiti on Melqua Kumanim, Omni Stephas, Nebishia can have a Diana Stars and other Mahini team no one more any Kumase, Krobia, Asante Kotoko, and a dear case in the between Aboso of Instratamine, Elton said their fate the BB United. Now, Omasha, Real United, any FC Samates, and the Baboso Elmujumedia, one so Egusu ye ko a southern sector na so dia there's a matches no ebi so ebetia to fam e wo honom na eye kuma second fire medican e de mo komo na ba e northern sector Liberty Professionals the beton said affair Dreams Football Club e was southern sector no dia pem so Legon City and Volta Rangers Beaches Akana Fi Hearts of Lions and Sky FC and so dia Kings in the Bebos na Fi Mysterious Abusia Bonto Drafts wo mo any Kutukurias and dia Kings in ebetia boss we MTN FA Cup matches outdoor and also 8 p.m. e wo mo hye outdoor wo mo so egusu 8 after the draw the chairman of the MTN FA Cup committee Rebel Sinatha eden komo ha create ba say nyame adoma sa matches between 24th of February and 26th of February no ana ye de ebetin tam so ntimi amja hodo a wo a obete say ebo MTN FA Cup matches no hono na watua akohwe se be a wo teams a ewo ompotem no nyama ebetin akoyi edi amon.
The most exciting thrilling competition we have in Ghana football, the MTN FA Cup competition. We started with 48 Division 1 clubs, 44 Division 2 clubs, 18 Premier Leagues. We have only 16 standing. And if you track the performances, if you track the value of entertainment we've saved, you would understand that indeed MTN FA Cup is the most exciting tournament and the most thrilling, the most valuable tournament we have in Ghana football. The tradition will go on. At this round of 16, which is the fourth stage, we will have 16 teams, 8 matches, 8 pairings. And I'm sure at the end of this process, we will see very exciting matches because we've zoned the teams into 2, northern and southern zone. So we will still have the local derbies, we will still have the magic, and this time we will focus on pushing the stars, promoting the stars. And I know you all are here to witness the wonderful parents we're about to see, and at the end of the day, from 24th to the weekend of 26th, we'll
Enti mame fancy na me na wase na me sanche opi ba chen so me say sports birthdays and be pima Kobe the scavenger okumankra okramankra ba kwa waka enstruja ene eye ne birthday enti be bia Kobe the scavenger Kobe Stone obia no fantastic birthday morning ene nkoma na da Kobe eya na wadada ho esan se ene ewa woda pa na mame so awudin ene Joy Sapon ho Joy Sapon oba eye Joy Sapon sa Sian Joyce Amponsa, okay, Madam Joyce Amponsa, Oba Enoch, our Hanum, or a camera guy to Miss Amposo, camera Muna Ucha, and Yasan Kitu Cranty, Madam Joyce Sapon, Oswebia Ubiano, fantastic birthday morning, Anna Antony and Coma Bibia, Unsubia, Fawinso, a danda, Timinia, now the danda, Fandada, Madam Joyce, Fandada, the Bibia and Kuyi and Farmers. And the Smam say, Jeffers Health Limited, and the Jeffers and the Tetri, and after one expert have always told you that betting the better than Sakawa and Afin Sukrana, a drew offense, Sedimo gel and Rolon, your ultimate pain relieving gel. Omina Tetri boy, a bedu sampen pensum in Komono, 8 Esa Brel. Within the profit, Kiwala Sagudi catch back and I'm the evidence based sports and teach it message out. uti edwumedie dia na ma wo hyi bubu ahyi kanisha bubulo hyi feda baka kopembo meka dan suma da akoma kofodua sumsam kedibodua smakese brima ponten fade kitekrache kopim sodu wini ba kaso anya na kwate mpuko so jaman akosumu ene ne hye soso ga kopeda bala hoho ye kochitu adidome eko hope fo ni chirem ekpando konkoko bomi obunkwatia na afodu ani etuen sa chirem bepon afi twam kona na doma hina tan wodo ma ahenkro kobechim kobrekum kosunyan na afi kodua nkwanta tim samanfo a ehwe ne nyasem keto akra ebusia menso esudie sister Sunday be a guy e kan entertainment dia untime ne sister Sunday bi enye entertainment de site obi baby catch obi a say sister Sunday e be dia utim sampene o de hela ne tenten no ene mantia faja to pe anaba na me adoma ha be de ntibomodi ada se obekoso aka kire busuafo ene nafofo oyere o ma ne wo fasefo ne mpnafo nyina say sister Sunday be a guy and Ebanest Adom TV. So, Prof, Sabrina, the act of being a good guest is to not say goodbye.